We're here at Alton Towers. We're at the Wickerman Shop. Let's see what's inside. Give yourself to shop. Let's see what's inside then. Yeah. Oh, let's start it.
Oh, we saw them in the other shop, didn't we?
Yeah, they look pretty good though,
They're nice. Wood and fire be chosen, 70 kilometres per hour.
It goes a bit faster when it's raining, doesn't it? It feels this.
It feels it.
Have we got the medal?
This is similar to the 13 one where it lifts up. Oh, I wonder what that says in the Wickerman.
Chosen.
Be chosen, yeah.
What did you reckon it is? I'll just guess that. Let us know, guys, if you deciphered the alphabets.
That's yeah, I'm calling that now. Well done.
It's got the answer.
Yeah, it definitely does.
And the tote bag there?
Oh,
What's that?
It's a magnet, but it's a piece.
Wow.
I wonder if they're going to have other ones to make all of them connect in the park.
Also, if you've got all the different rides, then you'd have a picture to end it. Yeah.
Piece.
That's quite clever, that is, Towers. We'll keep our eye out for it. We haven't seen any other ones though, have we?
No, not yet.
Wow, look at that, eh?
Yeah, so it's similar to the one in Nemesis Reborn Shop.
Yeah.
So you get a straw in there, but I don't think they're included in the freestyles. So you
No.
have to buy this souvenir cup.
So it does kind of say there, guys. Oh, a bit too close.
So £20 and then £5 for unlimited refill, so it's 25. Whereas the freestyle ones are £15 for the day.
Yeah.
But they're not like themed.
But these are
like
themed
this.
ones, aren't they,
Yeah,
to be honest? So you're getting something a little bit extra for your money there.
Yeah, I like that.
I like that. Very
Me
nice.
too. I do like these little
Dangly ones, you say
They've had
2024 on.
quite a few of them, to be fair.
There's some of the prices there, guys. Some of the older pin badges. I think they've had some of the... Well, that was a new one as well. Wanted to have that pin badge.
Yeah,
So,
little double one.
can have a look at that one, guys. Like a double one there. Yeah, that was an old one. Well, no, that's looking good, isn't it? To be honest.
It's really good.
Yeah, really nice. Nemesis now. Ooh.
I've just been looking at this, so you can buy a Wickerman head to stick on your wall.
That's
That
pretty
really
good, isn't it?
To be fair, but I just noticed there's a Nemesis Now sticker on.
Do you reckon that's who made it?
Yeah, I'm going with
A company called Nemesis Now, maybe?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
That's pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Very heavy. I love it. Very, very heavy.
Ooh, very nice though, isn't
Yeah,
it?
very,
Let's have a price on it.
No, I'm not sure what the price is.
No, I just got a security tag, so I'd ask the staff member about
Yeah,
that. So it might be a little bit expensive. We've got some new stuff here, haven't we? Look at these. This is your favourite ever, isn't it? This one.
I do not like the smell of this. Now, I love cinnamon, but this, smell it, honestly.
Ooh.
I don't like that smell on a teddy bear.
Christmassy?
Yeah.
Interesting choice, Towers.
Yeah.
Well, there's some of the prices, guys, there, if you want to have a look at that. And we've got the bag. That's pretty similar as last year's one.
Yes, it is.
And that's a new one, isn't it? Long sleeve there.
Yeah, that's really nice, and it's embroidered there.
Oh, very fun. That's nice. That's the new,
really nice.
the new range of jumpers. This kind of, bit like Hev's Tower of Terror one, if you've seen that, guys. But it's like this kind of jumper.
It's all embroidered. That's all embroidered.
That's
Love
really
it.
nice. You know,
£50.
the list is getting bigger and bigger, isn't it? To be honest.
Yeah.
And then we've got the same kind of hoodies here. That's the same jumper. But this is the t-shirt I want. Yeah.
Embroidered, and then it's got the print on the back, which is really nice and big bob.
I just really like it, to be honest. I don't know why. It stands out to me.
Yeah. No, we've got the bucket hats again.
Yeah, that
Those
one's not
ones
reversible.
But we mentioned that in our video last year, which is funny.
Yeah, so it's a bit interesting, isn't it, to be honest?
Oh,
Oh, hoodie.
chosen.
Be chosen? So do you reckon that thing did say be chosen? Oh,
Oh,
that's
wow.
not...
That is fantastic.
Champion? Does that say champion?
Maybe.
No, it says Wickerman, that does, doesn't it?
Maybe.
It's got to say Wickerman.
We'll have to download the...
Yeah, because it's got on the sleeve here, it's the same.
Oh, yeah?
We're going to decipher this code, aren't we? It's probably, it's been done online, we've just got to
Yeah,
Google it, haven't we? But
We'll find
we'll find out, yeah.
And then this one, they've got a pocket for your phone on the ride. Which
That's
I
good.
Really like.
And that's the same t-shirt again. But, oh, there's plenty. Oh, and the bear's still here, and he's got his glowy... Oh, and then if you can see that, you can see it better there, guys. Glows in the dark, that's really good. And then there are prices for yourself there.
Oh, that's a lovely hat.
It says a lovely hat, to be honest, isn't it?
Oh,
Oh, it's got flames on.
that's really nice. I like that.
Feed yourself to the Wickerman. Ooh, what else we got?
This is new.
Oh, that's new, isn't it?
This one before.
A new scarf.
Nice scarf, isn't it?
And you got the matching gloves down there, and the socks.
Yeah, and socks.
And the
Oh,
hat.
look at
So you can be nice and warm. And there's the patch, Hev.
that. I love that they've done the patches this year.
Yeah, so that looks really good, to be honest.
And they're only £5.
I think we're going to have to do something with that, aren't we, to be honest?
Yeah, we definitely are.
Yeah.
Mum, you might have to get your sink out.
Aww, it's Christmas.
Really cute. And they've got a big one as well. It's all starry.
Oh, that does look good, doesn't it, to be honest?
That's really nice.
The prices for you there. Oh, it's looking good in the Wickerman Shop, isn't it?
I
Oh,
love
wow.
these, they're lights.
Oh, wow.
And they light up, so that could look really nice, couldn't it?
Yeah, they would do on a display.
Yeah.
And these are like wooden plaques, aren't they?
Yeah.
It's quite interesting.
You can stick them up on the wall. I really like that, to be fair.
Some of the prices for you there, guys, again.
This is
And the new
cup
core.
this year. It's like all wooden, like it looks all wooden. You see Wickerman and that going through.
Yeah, it does
That's
look good,
nice,
doesn't it?
isn't
Bit
it?
different.
Very different.
Something a bit different this year from the cups. I think that's last year's cup, isn't it?
I believe so.
And I do like these big massive water bottles as well.
Yeah,
And they have still got the old ornamental one there as well. No! Nearly.
Nearly.
That's nice, though, isn't it?
I love these.
It reminds me of that Woodland Lodge one though, the
Yeah,
Enchanted Lodge.
It definitely does.
It's really good though, I like it. More of the boxes if you wanted. A lot of people do have the cubes, we do, but ours is too small, our cubes are.
Cubes at £10 if you did want one.
They are nice though, they are nice. And the classic stuff, you can't go wrong, especially if you've conquered the Wickerman for the first time. A lot of people do, especially with it being at 1.2.
Yeah, so it's a lot of people's like
First
ride.
big coaster.
This is what we saw yesterday, and then they're like cordy, which I think is
Yeah.
really nice.
Again, something just a bit different, yeah. That you don't see on all the caps, because they are usually just plain, aren't they, like that?
Yeah, they are. I'm just having a nosy on what's new.
Yeah, I don't think there's too much else, to be honest. Oh,
There we go.
there's the Avril Lavigne Skater Boy tops, as we're calling them.
Yeah, that one's pretty.
And that's got the right on the side there.
That's pretty cool, actually.
I'm not sure, that's something similar to that last year. I don't know if it's the same.
Yeah, it doesn't look the same.
I think it was just half and half rather than going, again, could be wrong, guys. Let us know in the comments.
It gives me the Smile of Revive one. You know,
Yeah.
the festival-y one that we like.
Yeah, we didn't see the Smiler top that we like in the Smiler shop, did we?
We didn't actually,
No. Check out Towers Trading.
Yeah.
There's a lovely Smiler t-shirt in there, and we do show that off, don't we?
Yeah, we do.
So have a look at that video when it comes out, guys. But I think that's pretty much everything. I don't think there's too much more left. Come little kiddie things there if your little riders want to get excited for feeding flames. Lots of the bears. There's bears everywhere, Alton Towers, isn't there?
It is. And another thing.
And that's where you come off the ride.
To look up, because there's lots of stuff goes on.
One being over there.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at him.
Oh,
He
look
looks
at the little
scary.
flashy things on the wall.
Yeah, it's pretty good, isn't it? It's a very well themed shop, isn't it, to be honest?
Yeah, fantastic.
It looks really good.
I really like it.
And me. Well, the Wickerman Shop, what do you think, Ev?
Yeah, there's some really nice new little bits in there. There's a few. I love those jumpers. Without the hoods, just the jumpers. I love them. And even the Wickerman one looks absolutely brilliant.
Yeah, well done, Towers. The merch this year is fantastic.
Yeah.
Really impressed. Honestly, really impressed. But if you like this one, guys, leave a like, subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Whoop, whoop.